Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Before we get started today, we're going to be looking at EURUSD and GJ, of course, pre-market analysis. And before we get started, of course, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like the content. It would help me grow. I'd appreciate that. Twitch is where I live stream every day, so I start stream around about 1 hour before New York. So around about 10 p.m. Australian Eastern Daytime. So yeah, I live stream there every day. Take trades, share analysis. People in the chat come through, hang out. They share analysis. We chat about markets, chat about whatever. So yeah, if you're interested in that, that's the Twitch link below. Twitter is where I post a lot of pre-market analysis, just as I'm about to enter trades, what levels I'm looking at, where I'm looking to take profit, my stop loss, things like that. So I also post a couple of videos and stuff on there. So that's if you're into that. And the TikTok is where basically I just upload similar videos to this, but in a much shorter, quicker, fast-paced kind of video. So if you're on TikTok, definitely check that out as well. So all the links will be below. But let's get into the charts, what I'm looking at today. So this is GBPJPY, and basically you can see this is Friday right here. You know, if you kind of zoom out a little bit, it kind of looks like, you know, we kind of consolidated in this area, and then we had this big move, which was like 430 pips from the top right here, and that came for me 1:30 in the morning. So for me, late New York session, but wherever you are around the world, if you're in the UK or America, this would be like your standard session right here. So yeah, big move off, and it kind of broke the previous, you can see it broke previous daily highs and lows. So for me, there wasn't too much direction, but this morning during Asian session, we have, you can see here, previous daily high. We've come up, whipped out of that, so made a new high right here, came down all the way down, made a new low, but we didn't break the previous structure right here, right? So we respected it. We made like a higher low, and now we potentially could continue up within the next hour or so. Once we break above these highs here, we could see GJ pushing up. So for me, I'd be looking at buys depending on where price goes within the next half an hour. Here I'd be looking for buys above this zone right here. So probably above 168, 650 somewhere, maybe as it breaks above this top wick. So that's what I'll be looking for here on GJ. Buys going up to potentially break like the current daily high, which is up here. So it's made its daily low wick, continue up to break the daily high and continue bullish. If we have a look on the daily real quick, you can see we pulled back, we've made a low wick right here, and now we're continuing to push up. But there is a resistance here, a lot of resistance on GJ. But this is a very nice pullback, and now we've respected the low. We could potentially continue up, breaking these highs and continuing bullish. So yeah, definitely keep an eye on that. A lot of volume in here. You can see from these candles, all these candles are pretty high volume candles right here. You know what I mean? Even this one, if you look at it, it seems like a small candle, but it's 67 pips. And same as all these, this is like 80 pip from body to body. This one is 150 pips, you know, so there's a lot of volume, a lot of momentum in GJ at the moment. So I think if we can get a break above this level, we could see that move to the upside, quite a big move to the upside. So yeah, that is GJ looking at buys above this level right here. And once price starts breaking the highs, I think we could continue up, you know, for the rest of London, New York session today. Looking at EURUSD, same kind of thing happened with EURUSD. We did have this move down and then this big move up, and then today we have spiked out of the highs and created that new daily high. We came down, boom boom, respected previous lows over here, potentially found support off of this level right in here, right, bounced. So again, I'll be looking for buys, you know, I'll be looking for buys in here somewhere, potentially above like this level maybe. or in this general area here, you know, around like 0.98493 to 0.98600 is why we're looking for entries for my buyers. Again, looking at the daily. Let me just get rid of all that. Looking at the daily, you know, we've had this nice push up, big shakeout, big bottom wick, bullish candle, and now to potentially today we've made this like a 35 pip bottom wick for us to continue bullish, maybe up into this area on EURUSD. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Yeah, and that's about it really. Got 30 minutes left until this next 4-hour candle closes. So depending on how it closes, I'll be looking for buys above this 4-hour wick right here to continue bullish on both GJ and EURUSD. Just a little something for you to think about. And that is what I will be looking at for today's session. So yeah, all in all, looking for buys on GJ and looking for buys on EURUSD until that bias changes. Obviously, we can it could potentially not break up here, and as London gets closer, we could start selling off again. And at that point, then I'll be reassessing during pre-London into New York. And if that bias changes, then I'll be updating that on my Twitter page as well. I'll be posting, you know, looking for this or looking for that, buys or sells below this or above this. So I'll keep up to date frequently on the Twitter page. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at today, and let's see what today brings. And we'll be back tomorrow with another video around about the same time, some pre-London analysis. And obviously I'll do a quick run over of what happened tonight for me during London, New York. And yeah, so that is about it. And I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Thank you for watching.